Alright guys, hand to hands, 6, and they meet each other where? To the 12 o'clock, and again 6 o'clock. Okay guys, I'm going to move now. I'll show you how to turn the steering hand to hands, okay? Hand to hands. Okay, Vina, can you show us how you turn the steering?
To where?
Left and right. Then hand to hand, hand to hand. Yes, exactly. Very good. With the hand meets up to the 12 o'clock and again to 6 o'clock. Hi everyone, and I hope you are well guys. In this video guys, I will be showing you some tip and advice and some advice on steering on the steering wheel for the beginners who has problem with the pull and push technique. Pull and push technique for them, the steering is very difficult for them to master, and they of course they cost the time and a lot of money. Okay guys, so today I would like to show you how to turn your steering wheel correctly and to the instruction. When I am teaching the people actually when I'm teaching the people how to drive, okay, sorry, a lot of the time I find them when they are turning the steering wheel, they are doing like this, crossing their hand like that, and they are doing like this. They are like fighting, or they are going for fishing. So this is dangerous for them. Don't do that. I know this is starting in the beginning, it's very difficult, but with the learning, of course, you will be better, inshallah. So invariably, when they do, I do this, okay, because they don't have any sense of the turning of the position. All right, 6, and they meet each other where? To the 12 o'clock, and again 6 o'clock, and again 12 o'clock, okay? And I'm going to turn left. They will meet 6 o'clock, and they will meet 12 o'clock, and again 6 o'clock. Okay. Most important, keep your hands in the steering. Don't remove your hand, because not allowed to turn by one hand. In the exam, in the test, not allowed by one hand only. No, should be 2 hands. So don't let your hand go out from the steering, okay? So some people, when they are holding the steering wheel, they do like that. They put their hand here and they drive. And sometimes I find here, like that, and sometimes here. So this steering wheel is a clock. Inside the steering wheel, airbag. So the airbag is protect you guys when example there's some accident. So you need to understand the steering wheel. If you understand the steering wheel, how you turn, of course you know how to drive, you know how to control your car. If you not understand this one, okay, it will be difficult for you to turn left, right, because you are going to control your car for turning right and left from this steering, okay? And you can do also homework, actually, if you, for the beginners, when you are at home, you can take one plate from the kitchen, okay, one plate over the clock, and then try to learn step by step. You imagine that one, the blade, like a steering wheel in the beginning. You can do it like that. Okay, it doesn't matter where you can hold the steering. I mean the blade. Always try to do by 2 hands like that. Not very tight, no, just like that. Right? You can feel the steering wheel. Alright? From 12 to 6. From 12 to 6. Try to train your hands in this way. 12 to 6. 12 to 6. 12 to 6. Okay? When I'm going to turn again, always my hand resting in the steering, 4 to 3, 9 to 3. Yes. Okay? Don't forget. 4 to 3. Okay? 9 to 3. And then I'm going to turn left and right, so you can see what I'm doing. Okay? They will always meet in 12 o'clock, and again they meet 6 o'clock. Okay? And again they meet 12 o'clock. Okay? And again I'm going to left. They meet where? To the 6 o'clock. Okay? And again they meet 12 o'clock. Okay? And again I'm going to left. They meet where? To the 6 o'clock. Do by 2 hands from 12 to 6. From 12 to 6. Up and down. Up and down. Because your power, those fingers. Okay? From here to here. Up. Up and down. Up and down. So you can feel your steering wheel. Guys, I'm going to show you now my hand resting and the steering, 4 to 3. 9 to 3. Okay? I will show you now. Okay? Just watch me. 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then 12 o'clock. Always our hands, 2 hands, they meet each other 12 o'clock and then 6 o'clock. Okay? Like that. Always 6, 12. Alright guys, hand to hands. I'm going to show you again. Hand to hands. Left, then right. Wave my hand with the steering. When I want to turn to the right or to the left, okay, my hand help this hand. This is left. This is moving. This one where? And the steering wheel for the left. Okay. When I want to also again to the right, this hand, right hand moving. Try to learn left, and then to the straight. Left again. Hand to hands. This hands helps hands each other together. Okay, and again, don't drive one hand like that. No, and don't hold the steering from here or from here. I see the steering wheel. Okay, guys, when I want to turn to the right, this hand moving, this one hold the steering. When I want to turn to the left, this one moving here, left, and then right hand on the steering. Okay, like that. Very easy. Okay, you can, guys, you can learn. Okay, take one blade from the kitchen. Okay, blade, small blade or big blade. Look like steering wheel, right? You can imagine that blade. It's like a steering wheel, and you can hold it 4 to 3, okay, and try to learn how you turn, so you can save your money and your time, and when you are coming to the start driving, it will be easy for you to understand the steering. Okay, but make sure return back the blade to the kitchen. All right, because maybe your parents will get angry. Okay guys, so just like that, it's very easy. Try to learn left and then to the straight. Hi Fiona, how are you?
Ticket.
Okay. Miss Fiona, she passed already from the drum test.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Fiona, can you show us how you turn the steering?
To where?
Left and right. Yeah. Yeah. Then, yeah. Hand to hand, hand to hand. Yes, exactly. Very good. One hand not allowed, right?
Like this not allowed.
Not allowed.
Like this only master.
Yeah, master. Okay, thank you. Again, yeah?
Again where?
One more time, yeah. No, you have to turn by two hands.
Okay.
There you go. Hand to hand, hand to hand. There you go. Okay, and again. Like that. Okay.
Ticket.
Bulkul tiki.
Barabar.
Alright. Okay, Vina, Mabruk, you are passed from drum test, yes? Good luck for your road test, huh?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, Vina, she will show us how she will turn the steering. Okay, Vina,
Okay.
try. Do it slowly and fast. Hand to hand. Again. Yeah. Before, when you start driving, how you turn the steering? Before, first time.
First time?
You remember how? Like that, huh? But now you're okay. Alhamdulillah.
Like this.
You are afraid, huh?
Of course.
But okay, Vida. Try again.
What?
Steering.
Okay.
It's very easy, right?
Yes.
Not very difficult. Aywa. Hand to hand, hand to hand. Yes. Aywa. Can do it. Yeah. Where the hand meets up to the 12 o'clock and again to 6 o'clock. Huh?
Yeah.
Just like that. Aywa. Yeah. Exactly. And you do that turning also before when you are hand to hand. Remember? Before you do it? Yeah, like that. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, Fiona. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to show you now how to turn left and right. Hand to hands. Okay? Hand to hands. Left. Then right. My hand where in the steering wheel, not going anywhere. Hands to hands, like that. Right, it's very easy, huh, guys? Okay. Always your hand where? 2:45. Don't put your hand here or here. No, 2:45. So your hand is resting in the steering. Okay. Left and then right. Okay, can do it very fast. right, like that. Are easy. Okay guys, so I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video. Thank you. Take care everyone.